welcome back to Anxiety Kitchen. This week we are gonna make Turkish delight and see if it's worth selling out our entire family over. I have had Turkish delight before, but it was like, you know, store-bought. So gonna find out what the homemade variety hits on. This is like all done on the stove, which is my favorite always. I think this is gonna make a lot, so I'm really hoping that it turns out well. Already greased and lined a pan, so that's good to go for later. This does have to sit overnight, so it's gonna be a 2-day film. Yay. But for you, you only have to wait for minutes. It's fine. Yeah, so I'm gonna spin this around and get to cooking. So I know I made a mistake. I think just one. But as I have stated before, when working with any sort of sugar, it senses fear. So when I was combining the cornstarch mixture and the sugar, I was supposed to do it slowly so as to not create air bubbles and therefore lumps. But I got nervous and I just whisked the hell out of it. So she's a little lumpy. Oh, that was stupid. It might actually look normal. Sorry. So I've had it from the store before, which, you know, I did read, obviously, like when you make it yourself, it's a lot different because it's softer, but like, that's actually really good. It's very, very rosy, which, I mean, it's supposed to be. But like the lemon cuts through it nicely. It's so soft. I'm not mad at that. I was a little bummed out yesterday. I was just like, this is gonna be a disaster and I'm gonna be sad. I don't know if anyone else is gonna like it, but like, I don't know. To me, it's pretty good. If you've ever had Turkish delight, or if you've never had it, and you just want to try something a little different, a little weird. It's not weird. It's just a little different. Give it a shot. What are we gonna do next week? Oh no. Next week, Austria, we're gonna make croissant. My little croissant. Work that up, do. Forgot that one was in there. It'll be fine. Next week is a technical faux show. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be so great. Boop. Hope you guys are doing well. If you haven't already, like and subscribe. Anyways, I'll see you next Tuesday. Okay, bye. Are you straight? Or are you? Anyways.